What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again, and it is new knife day. This time it's a Boker. You guys saw the thumbnail. This is the Boker Plus, I think it's the Auto Strike, and they call it Distressed Green and Yellow for licensing reasons, I'm sure, but it's the Fett Auto. I think they came out with 4 different models of this one. The Kalashnikov and this guy, one with a black blade and one without. Let's see. Ooh, nice. SMKW always comes with a sticker. I love that. And it's even like Boba Fett themed. It's got the green, yellow, red. That's freaking sweet. I love ordering from them. They ship fast and they always go the extra mile, give you something, give you some goodies. So nice nylon pouch. Let's see. There's the knife and just warranty information. Let's pull this out. Ooh, clip's pretty strong. Oh, look at that thing. It's just so cool. My inner nerd is just loving it. I don't know why I needed this knife. Probably because I never pulled the trigger on the Ultratech from Microtech, the Bounty Hunter. That is this, but 10 times cooler and 10 times the price. So I thought I had to go with this. So the Auto Strike has the lock to make sure you can't press the button, and also locks it open if you need it to be. So let's check that action. Ooh, it's snappy, but that did not kind of hit the back, and might have stayed on that button too long. Man, that spring's pretty tight. You can see it has some firing issues. I just need to get off that button a little quicker. Let's go over the blade. AUS 8 bead blast finish on that. Just kind of a slight clip point. It feels like a saber grind. Decently thin stock, looks like about 0.12. That's a 3 1/4 inch blade. You got 4 1/2 inch handle, meaning it's 7 3/4 inches overall. 2 position pocket clip. Luckily it's in the right one right now. With your tip up right hand carry. That clip is really gonna stand out if you're carrying this around. The red is a little too bright. It's a little too cherry red. You can see the red they used here on the sticker is a little bit more, I don't want to call that brick red or something like that. It's a little more muted, but I mean, I love the distressing throughout. And then it's got kind of the knurling, obviously the yellow cutouts, red hardware, open construction. That auto's pretty snappy. It's not the best, but this is a budget auto, but you got to get off that button quick, because if you stay on it, I think it doesn't want to completely lock up. Yeah, so on the button off. It's pretty cool. Lockup is just a little bit of a wiggle back and forth, but nothing open up and down. But it seems like a lot of button locks in this price range are definitely that way. Cool profile though. I like the shape of this thing. Ergos aren't fantastic. I don't know if I love this kind of scoop along the back for your thumb. It's a little bit too indented. It kind of feels like I'm holding a very small dagger, which is probably what this is meant to be, but I'd kind of rather have that flat. The jimping is very nice though. It's not extremely sharp, kind of holds you in there. Decent finger guard up front. This is just one of those things that, me being a huge Star Wars fan, I had to own. And I do like the fact that if you had to really be on this for whatever reason, you can lock it open as well as lock it closed. So just a little bit of extra security there. But yeah, very cool knife from Boker. Let me know what you guys think. That's the Boker Auto Strike Fett. It's a Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive. So thanks for watching, guys. And remember, have fun with your knives.